Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cream jelly updated. Heat 2 cups heavy cream with 1/3 cup sugar until warm and sugar dissolves, then sprinkle 2 tablespoon gelatin over 1/4 cup cold water and bloom. Stir the dissolved gelatin into warm cream, add 1 tsp vanilla, pour into molds, and refrigerate until set. Use silicone molds for easy release and serve chilled with fruit or a light syrup for contrast. For flavor twists, steep citrus zest, coffee, or tea in warm cream for 10 minutes, then strain before adding gelatin to keep a smooth texture. Substitute 1 tsp vanilla with almond or coconut extract for a new aroma, or fold in mashed berries after the jelly cools to the touch to avoid sinking. Balance sweetness with a squeeze of lemon or a teaspoon of honey to brighten the final dessert. If your cream jelly is too soft, gently remelt and whisk in 1 tsp dissolved gelatin per cup to firm it, then chill again to set properly. Prevent curdling by keeping cream below boiling and tempering any hotter additions slowly. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve before pouring into molds to remove lumps or foam, which ensures a smooth, glossy finish that unmolds cleanly and looks professional on the plate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.